Hey guys, Iceberg Catch here, and I finally found out how to turn on microphone. Today we're gonna play Square Bird, and I am really happy that I found out how to do the Square Bird.
It's because of me.
Yeah, it's because of my friend Julia. Same one from the planet, from the survival series, from episode 1. Okay, there's the X. Nice. Okay. Good, we got that level.
What if we find out that it isn't on microphone?
Then all the viewers will probably just tell us, oh shoot. I know, but I'm just gonna try. The IC has to attempt. Yeah, you on. Yes. Okay. Shoot. These. Oh! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Do you hate the ones that move?
Yeah, I hate them. I hate the ones that move.
See, because it all becomes money.
Yeah, money,
Can I try?
money. Okay, Julia's gonna attempt to do it.
I'm probably gonna lose.
Probably gonna lose it. Probably gonna lose the head out of
X. Where's the X?
it. Eggsy.
Okay.
Here. Okay, perfect. Oh, shoot! No, okay, my turn.
No, it's because you got to do it for a whole lot of levels.
Oh, I guess that is good. I am on like level 59 already. So great. I've never seen the snake. Okay, now it's icy. Now it's ice. Is it done? How long it did? How long? How could you? Oh wait, there's a 4 down there. Guys, don't drink wine that much. It can get you addicted, but drink it very rarely. Only on Sunday, let's say. So I don't want any of you wine addictives. I know it's sort of inappropriate, but oh shoot. Julia got tea, so do I.
You got into the whole level.
Me trying to do the gray still place grid. Oh shoot! When school over? Oh no, we gotta make sure this video is less than 15 minutes. I hope we don't find out that suddenly, all of a sudden, the mic is turned off.
Yeah, me too.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Watch the video after we're finished. Oh, dang it.
Well, there is one way to leave the app. Always get on maximum. Just so you know, this isn't Icy playing. This is my best friend, Julia. She's been a lot of things. She's helped me a lot with my YouTube channel. And she's good at screaming.
Sorry.
Okay, and yes, the microphone is on. That's the good news.
Yay!
Okay, now it's my turn. Oh shoot, I hope I do it. Oh!
Phew. I want to pass this around so bad.
I want to kill this round. No! Oh, shoot. Okay. Let's see. Now I have some sort of feeling. I have some sort of feeling where the video is really long. So you know the drill. LSN. Like, subscribe, notification. So that's what you need to do. You know the drill. Just subscribe. Please, I need more subscribers and like.